Hey, it's Megara, and today I've had a random number generator pick my makeup. Because I've seen these going around, I thought it would be a laugh and get me to play with some new colours. I'm going to take this book off because I don't need that one on there. I have a book, or a pile of books holding up my lamp and my mirror. So I'm just going to get started with this because this could take a while and could be highly entertaining. So stick around and keep watching. Alright, so here we've got my primers. I've got a random number generator up and I'm going to click generate if I can by my thumb. So number 6, so primer number 6 is Hangover Cure. So this one is going on the sofa effect. No, it's going to go on the table with my brushes. Alright, so primer is, as you just seen, Hangover Cure by Too Faced. I'm just going to get a little pump on 2 fingers, dot it around, and just rub it in. I'm going to move my camera a little bit so you don't have to look at my mirror. I'm hoping this is a bit better than my last setup, but I know it can't be promised, but I'm trying, I'm getting there, okay? Alright, so I got this idea from my friend Shopaholic Meg, I'll link her channel down below. She sent me a video of how me doing this on TikTok with just eyeshadows. I thought I'd take it one step further and have all my makeup get picked by a random number generator. So, thanks Meg, you did me good. Yes, there are a lot of Megs, it's why I'm Megara. So here's a lineup of all of my foundations, and you can see it's 12 shades of beige. So I've got random number generator up. Is it going to focus over there? No. This is the trouble of having a really big phone. Click generate. It is gone for number 7, so that is 2, 4, 6, 7 EX1 Fluid Foundation. For foundation, I've got the EX1 Fluid Foundation in F1 because I am so pale that I make a vampire look tanned. I also think this pump is dying, so this foundation may be getting a bin soon, which bodes well. So I'm going to bounce this in with a sponge. I'm not doing having a random number generator pick which sponges I use. That just seems like too much effort. And I apologise if you can hear banging or shouting or anything upstairs. Because we're in lockdown, a lot of people are doing renovations to their homes themselves. And I think upstairs are building like a wardrobe or storage unit or something. I'm not sure, I don't really see them very much, we haven't got a shared entrance. So that'll do for now, because I really can't be fucked to get any more, or do battle with my foundation again. So I've got 8 concealers, I'm going to click generate. Number 5 is the Huda Beauty concealer. So for concealer, Huda Beauty, as you saw it pick out, this is in whipped cream, which is 006. 00G. I am that pale. So it's, I don't mind this applicator, I just wish it was, you know, a bit more consistent because it's just a squeezy tube. I do like to highlight the high points of my face because if I can, because, you know, pale. Now, I'm actually going to use cream contour, so rock lip. So I've got numbers 1 to 3 and generate 2. This is a Nip+Fab contour stick in Cool Taupe. Cool Taupe? I don't know. I wasn't sure what it was I picked out of my cupboard because I haven't used this in so long. This is the Fix Stick Definition by Nip+Fab. It is in Cool Taupe. Taupe, however you want to pronounce it. It looks like this. And it's literally just a contour stick. I'm going to get a brush to blend this all in. This brush. So kind of blended into not very much, but oh well. You win some, you lose some. It has been sat in my cupboard for the last year-ish. I can't remember the last time I used it, which is why I dug it out. Then for powder, we've got 8. So random number generator says number 4, which is the Fenty. So this one here. So powder, I've got my normal Fenty powder. I was kind of thinking I was going to get something else, but you know, I wasn't going to respin when I got something I like. So where is my brush? There's one of my brushes. There's the other one of my brushes. So I'm just going to go in with a bit of this and set everything down. So See when this is all set. Next, I'm going to go in with browns, and I've only got one brow gel. I'm just going to go in with it. This is the Born This Way brow gel by Rimmel, however you want to pronounce it. Yes, I'm aware my brows are atrocious, but at least I haven't got a monobrow at the moment. I'm just going to go in with the whole, you know, not quite monobrow, not quite werewolf brows kind of look. So yeah, I'm basically just going to let them grow into the basic shape I want, and then I'm going to let the brow ladies at Benefit go ham on them when this is all over. Next up we have my 4 lowly brow products. So I put in 1 to 4. Number 4, so it is going to be the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. So I'm just going to go in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow as random number generator picked out. And you can actually see my eyebrows now, and they do kind of match my hair colour. I'm still trying to figure out what my hair colour even is. So next is, I'm going to go with bronzer. So I've got 9 bronzers, so I'm going to put it into random number generator, which says number 1, which is the Urban Decay Sin palette. This one right here. And I've got the Naked Sin Afterglow palette. This is a highlight and blush palette, but let's be real, that's more of a bronzer, which is why this one was in the bronzer selection. So, we just need bronzer brush. Let's use that bronzer brush. Is you? Yeah, you'll do. So this is just a tapered brush. I'm going in with this. This is in the shade Paranoid. Bit down my nose as normal. And that is bronzer. I'm going to add a little bit more just because you can't really see it, and I may as well go ham with it today because I'm not going out anywhere. The UK is in lockdown still, and I have a dead foot. 1 second. Okay, it's not quite a dead foot, but it was getting there. So next is blush. So once again, I've got 9 things, so I've just got 9 blushes. Some of them are repeated. I haven't put Naked Urban Decay Sin in there because I wanted to spice it up a bit, didn't want to have the same things in there twice. So number 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's Milani Luminoso. So I've got my blush brush and I got my Milani Luminoso. And again, another one I use quite often, but I'm not going to complain. If I've got space to put my leg down, just about. So I'm just going to go in with this, blue, get a lot on, and go completely ham with it. Ta-da! Yeah, all left to do now is really my eyeshadow highlight, and I do my highlight last. If you haven't been here for a while or haven't been here before, do it last. Old habit. So I'm going to be using the APH Norvina collection palette for my eyeshadow because I thought it's got a good range of colour. So I'm going to bend this down a bit. So I've got 25 eyeshadows in here. I'm going to click generate. So I think it's easier just to do this. So my colour choices are number 4, number 10. No, I've had number 4 already. Number 20. Number 15. And finally, number 23. Which, for those of you who are curious, is this yellow here. Number 10, which is this purple here. Number 20, which is this dark colour here. 15, which is this one here. And number 23, which is this yellow. So this could be quite interesting. So I have got shades number 4, which is a golden colour for my eyeshadow. I have shade 10, which is this purple. Shade 15, which is this reddy purple, browny colour. Shade 20, which is this black. And shade 23, which is this bright yellow, well, mustardy yellow down here. So shade 4, oh, where do I even start with this? I've got purple. I reckon I'm going to have to do a cut crease. So first of all, I'm going to go in with E3, 23, E3, which is this yellowy colour down here. Get quite a bit of that on my brush, and I'm just going to run that through my crease. Then I'm going to go in with shade 15, which is this colour here called C5. Just use a tap of that, tap off any excess, and then just gently put that in. Just going to deepen it a bit. I'm going to go back in with that yellow colour, just go back over the edges. just to bring back some yellow into it all. Then I'm gonna cautiously use the black shade here, shade 20, which you can tap it in there. And tap it on the outer corner. Because you could say I could use this as an eyeliner, but I don't want to. I just wanna have a nice dark corner. I'm not a big fan of using black eyeshadow. I'm gonna get a bit of a flat brush. And go back in with that first brush and just blend. Then I go find a cleanish brush. There's always a cleanish brush with me. I go back in with C5, which is that orange brownie-ish colour. And then the yellow again. So now I'm going to get a nice flat brush and a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to cut my crease. So next I'm going to go in with that purple B5, which is this shade here. And I'm going to get a packing brush. A flat-ish brush. Nice flat brush, it's kind of fluffy. I'm going to go in with that shade B5, which is shade number 10. It was picked out, and I'm just going to pack it on. Okay, I'm going to use more of a packing brush, another different flatter, denser brush. So I'm going to turn into a very me look with purple lids. Don't know why. I do, it's because I love purple. I almost always do purple makeup for work. So with the second fluffy brush I used to use the black, I'm going to go in with a bit of C5 E3, which is shades 15 and 23, and I'm just going to run that across the top to blend it all in. Then I'm going to use the flat brush, another flat brush. I'm going to clean it off, make sure it's nice and clean, and I'm going to run C5 along my eyelash line, and literally I'm tapping off any excess. I'm going to go in with a bit of E5, E3 even, which is 23. And then I'm going to get a pencil brush. I'm going to get a flat brush and not a pencil. It's not a pencil brush. I'm going to go in with shade 4, load it up. I'm going to put that on the inner corner. Like that. I'm hoping you can see. It's really realistic. This is how it's looking. It's a bit odd, not going to lie, but considering the colours I had, I think it turned out okay. Now I'm going to go in with the eyeliner. I own a whole 2 eyeliners, well, eyeliner pens. They're the easiest thing to use. So I'm going to put in one or two, and click generate 1, which is a Ciate London Stamp and Drag. I've never used a stamp, but I have used a drag. This is a Stamp and Drag eyeliner by Ciate. I'm going to try and get a nice sharp line. That's eyeliner done, so I'm going to stick some mascara on. These are the mascaras I tend to like, so 1 to 5, generate. Number 2, that is the Huda Cosmetics Obnoxious Volume Mascara. And for that I've got the Obnoxious Volume Mascara by Huda Cosmetics. That's mascara done, I think. So I've got 15 of them, and if you're wondering what this is just my coffee mug. So I've got 15, I'm going to press generate, came up with number 7, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the Ofra Clouds 9 highlighter. It is slightly pink. For highlighter, I've got the Ofra X Nikkitutorials Cloud 9. It's got a pink shift to it, which kind of works with this look. I haven't used this in ages. Highlighter. Hopefully you can see it's got a slight pink shift to it. Lots of brush going on the brow bone. Oh god, what did I do? Oh no. I've got a bit of mascara on there and I need to clean that up. BRB. I have 40 lipsticks. And I haven't bought any for a while, more worryingly. So, This is just my lipsticks. I'm going to go on to lip toppers in a minute. So 1 to 40. Number 16. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is a Jeffree Star in birthday suit. Now for lips, I've got the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in birthday suit. That is a very pale, very pink nude. Then I'm going to try and stick on some lashes. So I've got the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive in black. So I'm going to try this because it was black or white, and I wasn't convinced that white wasn't going to go clear. So I've got the lashes on. These are the Unicorn Cosmetics bubble pop lashes. What you hear rattling around is just the thing I used to stick on the lashes. So I've got 9 lip glosses or lip toppers. I'm going to click number 2, which is one of these Floss lipsticks or lip glosses. It's this. It is in the shade ATH. Not sure. Gonna roll with it. I forgot about my lip gloss. So this is a Floss lip gloss in App. So I'm just gonna stick this over the top of my lipstick. You know what? I kind of like this look. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So lashes, I love them. They're kind of big, they're bold, they're out there. They're probably not stuck down as well as they could be, but it is me. This is like the 5th time I've worn lashes. Eyeshadow worked better than I expected. Foundation great, it's creasing a bit. Lipstick is pinker than I would normally go, but I kind of like it. Highlighter pinker than I normally go, kind of like it. Everything kind of worked well. So this is the finished look, you could say. And if you like the kit, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you'd like me to see what stupid thing you'd like me to do next down below in the comments. And I'll see you again next week for another video. And yeah, these lashes are not stuck on properly at all. What are they? I don't know. I've been wearing this for a while. But I will be wearing this for the rest of the day probably. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments. And I'll see you again next time.